How many years should an AC last?
So an AC unit should last around 10 to 15 years. And that's more for our market, for Florida, for the Florida market. If you are in a different market, you might get a little more out of it. But down here is way too hot, way too humid most of the year. So if you get 15 years out of it, you're a lucky person.
What is the average lifespan of an AC unit?
It should be about the same. It depends on the average lifespan of the AC unit is about the same as what they make it for. They make it for like 10 years, right? That's what the manufacturer gives you as a warranty. So that's what you should be getting at least from it. But again, you can get an extra 5 to maybe 10 years if you keep it up, if you maintain it well.
Is there any difference between Tampa and other parts of Florida, or is it about the same?
Tampa is about the same as the rest of Florida. Humidity-wise, little down south, let's say Miami tends to get a little hotter than here, and but Tampa is also at the same time a little colder when winter comes around than Miami or other places down south, but it's about the same.
Can an AC unit last 30 or even 40 years?
I don't think an AC unit can last that long, not 30 or 40 years. I do see it, I talk, and I know about other companies on other states like Washington, way up north. And up there, yes, you might see the units last that long, maybe because they don't use it as much, of course. But no, 30 to 40 years is an unreal number. I mean, it's not impossible, but not that often, no, definitely.
So what age should you replace your AC? Like how many years?
So you should replace your AC unit anytime after the 10-year mark if you're facing like big repairs. Anything after, I want to say 13 or 15 years, you still should replace it even if you don't have a big repair in front of you, just because of the efficiency of the unit. You know, nowadays units are way more efficient. So if you're running a 13, 15-year-old unit, your energy bill is feeling it. So there's those two things that you have to look for.